Hi guys, today I will show you how you can extract subtitles or other streams from MKV file. First, download and install Perl Studio MKV extractor. You can use perl.g, or I will also put a link into the video description as well. After you install it, run it. After you run the app, just place the video here. You can select streams you want to extract. For example, audio. You can also select which subtitle you want. You can also select all of them, or use the batch selection tool. Then set output folder where you want to save and press extract streams. It will now extract everything that was selected. If you want to extract subtitles, you can just press quick extract subs. You can write subtitle ID or leave it as is, which will extract all of the subtitles. And finally, you can disable all of those and select only ones you want to recombine into new MKV file. For instance, I want video, of course, Japanese audio and English subtitle. I will just press now Recombine MKV, and it will create new MKV file which includes original video, Japanese audio and English subtitles. To check this out, I will play the video. Audio track is Japanese and subtitle is also correct. Thank you guys for watching. If this video was helpful, like the video and subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next one.